This is going to be a video tutorial on how to enable or disable intrusive ads on the Google Chrome web browser. I will be using a desktop PC for this. Let me jump over to my browser here. I have the Google Chrome web browser opened up now. To enable or disable intrusive ads, the first thing you want to do is open up Settings. I'm going to go off to the upper right-hand corner, up to the three-dot menu. I'm going to click on that. Then I'm going to go down to where it says Settings, and I'm going to click on Settings. Now on the Settings page, the pane off to the left-hand side, you want to go to where it says Privacy and Security. Click on Privacy and Security. Then on the center pane, you want to go down to where it says Site Settings. Click on Site Settings. Then you will scroll down to where you see it says Additional Content Settings. You want to make sure that that is expanded. Additional Content Settings. Then you can scroll down a ways further, and right here, Intrusive Ads. It says ads are blocked on sites known to show intrusive or misleading ads. Click on Intrusive Ads. Up top it says sites usually show ads so they can provide content or services free of charge, but some sites are known to show intrusive or misleading ads. The default behavior. By default, your bottom one is probably toggled on. Ads are blocked on sites known to show intrusive or misleading ads. But you can toggle on the top one. Any site you visit can show any ad to you. That's enabling it, and this bottom one is disabling it. Down below that, you have customized behavior for particular websites. As you can see, I don't have anything listed, but the main part is right up here, the default behavior. Thanks for watching.